This lawyer, who only defended the rich, had never lost a case in over 300 trials throughout his life. It was rumored that whenever he took on a case involving a man, not only could he win the lawsuit, but he could even get the defendant sentenced to death. When the world's richest man heard this, he spent a fortune to hire him to defend his son, who had assaulted a rural girl. To protect his reputation from being tarnished by his son, the richest man invited the lawyer to take the case. Just as the lawyer was collecting evidence and preparing for the trial, he received news that his son and daughter-in-law had been beaten up. It turned out that during his son's bail period, the richest man's son and a few of his friends went to a restaurant for a meal. Unexpectedly, during the meal, he took a fancy to the lawyer's daughter-in-law and deliberately sat behind them to provoke them. Seeing no reaction from them, he became even more arrogant and humiliated the two. The young man couldn't bear it anymore and tried to reason with the other party, but the other party immediately called people to surround them and poured a plate of leftover green vegetables over the young man's head. The daughter-in-law quickly called her father, but as soon as she hung up, the lawyer snatched the phone and threw it into a boiling hot pot, saying that if the young man could retrieve the phone with his hand, he would let his wife go. However, when the young man took out the phone, the lawyer went back.
停手！邊度嚟嘅老嘢啊？
點回事啊？係佢哋，我同阿姐在呢度食飯，佢哋揾我麻煩，仲打我同阿姐。
係你得罪段少先㗎，打你都係你應該㗎咋。
我嗰隻老實善良，佢唔會隨便得罪人㗎。呢件事一定係你哋有錯在先㗎。
係又點啊？快啲同段少道歉！買先嘅話，你哋幾個邊個都買上場？
發夢啊你！你哋大人在前，仲想我哋道歉？
仔，你先帶小青去醫院。呢件事，阿爸一定會幫你主持公道。我呢度有30萬，先俾我個仔同新婦去醫院。
30萬？我差呢30萬咩？你得罪咗我，仲想就咁走？邊有咁易嘅事啊？
咁你想點啊？
你係佢老豆係嘛？咁啊，你想救佢嘅話，你跪低叫佢聲阿爹。你個死仆街，你冇救我老豆啊！我叫你插嘴啦咩？老爺，考慮嘅點啊？係跪低叫佢一聲阿爹，定係叫你個廢物仔呢一世都叫唔到阿爹？
睇下呢件事，你唔打算善罷甘休啊？係嘛？
冇錯啊，我就係唔打算善罷甘休啊！
段少，
老爺你咁打我，
我打你係正當防衛。尋日之時聚眾鬥毆，最低3年，最高死刑。
你就開始判我刑啊？你知唔知我係邊個啊？
我唔想知道你係邊個，我只係知道你傷咗我個仔同新抱。而家人證物證俱在，你而家走唔甩㗎？呢個唔知死個老嘢啊！你知唔知佢係邊個啊？呢個係龍城首富段海榮嘅公子嚟㗎。你就係段海榮嘅仔，強姦案嘅被告。
我竟然仲要幫佢辯護，呢啲咁嘅人點似係俾人冤枉嘅人啊？
冇錯，龍城首富就係我阿爹。我阿爹已經俾我請咗6屆閻王秦正朔做我嘅辯護律師啊！你啊，就等於同我強姦個女人一齊去死啦！
係咩？你仗住有錢有勢，無視法律，你以為你有結果湊錢就可以當我秦正朔係馬騮咁玩咩？如果我話我就係秦正朔咧，
秦正朔，
佢真係秦正朔嚟個。都話秦正朔係6屆閻王，出手就係死刑。我哋頭先咁樣人得罪佢，咪死硬啦咩？
我肚好痛啊！
老婆，我帶你去醫院。段少，我哋快啲走啦，咪先秦正朔唔會放過我哋噶。
秦正朔係嘛？秦正朔，咁攞假證嚟呃我，一個老嘢未寫過係嘛？段成忠，
段少，你講佢個證係假嘅？
冇錯啊！呢個廢物啱先講佢係秦正朔嘅仔，後尾個老嘢就嚟咗啦。世界上邊有咁啱嘅事啊？而且啊，就嚟開庭啦。秦正朔依家肯定喺法院準備我單 case 啊，冇可能出現喺呢度噶。
好啊，呢2條友喺呢度做戲呃我哋，
你冥頑不靈，自取滅亡！幾好嚟，快啲放同我仔同新抱！
老嘢，你係未死過係嘛？拖打！
玩嘢嚟啊！老豆啊！
死老爺，而家知道錯未啊？就你個廢柴，都係冒充六界閻王秦正疏。
小姐，攞個手握俾我。
爸爸，我而家俾你。
呢個龍虎玉啊，係奪海榮表嘅，你而家攞翻去，話住知呢單 case 我唔接啦。
老爺啊，仲喺度扮嘢係嘛？你話呢個假，係我阿爹俾你嘅。好啊，我依家就打電話俾阿爹，叫你死個明白。爹哋啊！
死衰仔，你走到去邊啊？你咪又同我搞嘢？
爸，我邊有啊？我真係同朋友食餐飯咋。
我仲知你咩？你而家咁嘅樣啊，肯定喺度搞搞震啊！
爸，我都係嗰班人。硬要惹我，係啦爸，個陳正疏依家係咪法院啊？
一早就到啦，我見到佢助理啦。二助理，秦律師。
陳律師佢去咗廁所喎。
哦，仲有半個鐘就開庭啦，唔知秦律師準備好未啊？
你放心啦，陳律師不嬲以高效著稱，案件資料佢準備好晒啦。
好啊，我知道啦。
得啦，馬上就開庭啦，你嗱嗱聲同我攬翻嚟。你記住啊，千祈冇得罪秦正疏啊！
得啦，秦正疏，跟住佢。喂，扮嘢係嘛？我叫你扮啊！叫你扮啊！你冇打我老豆，佢就係秦正疏啊！
少爺，冇打啦！萬一佢真係六界閻王秦正疏咧，
拉一邊去啊！你扮啊，繼續扮啊！我話你知啊，我白講咗啊，秦正疏同佢嘅助理依家喺法院啊，唔係我話你哋啊，做戲之前你先做下功課啦，啊！成班廢柴仲同我鬥，得啦，我冇咩時間同你喺度玩啦，少爺我去開庭啦，等我得閒咗再好好教訓下你哋啊！啊，走啊！
忙咩忙？
老豆，爸，醫生，我老婆點啊？
個 BB 肯定係冇啦，大人喺度救緊，你哋最好有一個心理準備。
冇，醫生救我老婆，一定要救我老婆。
我哋一定會盡力嘅。
小豪啊
，BB 冇咗，阿青嘅生死未卜，活着仲有咩意義啊？阿爸，你咪大律師嘛？我要告佢哋，我要佢哋付出代價。
因為正義雖然會遲到，但係永遠唔會缺席，忍人低頭，呢啲都係助長佢哋嘅囂張氣焰啊！
請問你哋係咪蘇啟娥女士嘅家屬？可唔可以將呢件事情完整嘅同我哋講一次？
好影啊！
冇嘢我個女啊！冇嘢我個女啊！
端少嚟咗啊！端少，一審嘅時候判住你強姦，今次係咪準備申請無罪辯護啊？
想要坐監啊？冇可能嘅！
你想無罪釋放，但係原告堅持話係你強姦。一審嘅時候，檢察院都認為你並不無辜。
我係被人冤枉噶，就係呢個女人啊，特登做過嚟害我啊，呃唔到錢，吉到跳腳，不過冇嘢啊。我已經請咗六界閻王做我嘅辯護律師啊，呢啲想害我嘅人啊，就等住坐監去啦。
我點啊？救我！唔驚啊！唔驚！你哋啲有錢人啊，根本就唔中人多人睇嘅。人哋女仔清清白白，俾你學成咁樣，你仲想顛倒黑白？老天爺啊！仲有冇天理啊！我個女究竟做錯咗啲乜嘢？要受咁樣嘅折磨啊？點解啊？
前，大家都抱法律面前人嘅面，但係而家總有人話法律面前三文狗頭，得我就要睇下邊個會高人一等。
陳律師，馬上就要開庭啦。
你個魔鬼，你咪想燒我翻外！
喂，都同我收聲啊！睇住啦，我嘅辯護律師啊，律界嚴望循證書就嚟到啦，你哋就等住喊啦。
原告律師循證書現已到場。陳律師啊，發生咗咩事啊？邊個唔生眼啊？夠膽打你？邊個打我？段董你唔知咩？唔緊要唔緊要，只要贏咗今日嘅官司，我就即刻幫你將你個仆街同你揾出嚟。敢喐你就係同我段海榮作對，以後佢就咪想喺龍城呢度踎落去啦。
呢個段家真係請咗律界閻王循證書嚟啊！哎呀，循證書手下從無敗績啊！睇嚟呢個段成舟真係要無罪釋放啦！呢個畜生將我個女搞成咁，點可以有佢逍遙法外啊！
你哋唔知啊，個循證書係專門同有錢人辯護嘅，佢法律知識深厚，辯護嘅時候更加犀利，好多大律師都唔係佢嘅對手啊！我睇啊，嗰段成舟唔單止係無罪釋放，個原告啊，仲有可能坐監添。
明明係佢哋犯咗罪，點解我哋坐監啊？唔通有錢人就可以無視法律，為所欲為嘅咩？
法庭審判係要依照法律，冇人可以凌駕於法律之上。秦律師講得啱，呢個法庭呢，就係行使法律嘅地方。我仔佢冇做錯嘢，自然應該無罪釋放。衰仔啊，就冇過嚟同秦律師打招呼，真仆街！秦律師，你冇見怪啊？佢一定係俾你嘅氣場度折服啦！請。秦律師啊，你咪搞錯咗啊？被告席喺呢度啊！我冇搞錯，我就係原告嘅律師。